Model, 59 plate Ford Tran 115T 280 meters trend forward runs and drives spares or repairs project. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 184,611. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ, 2.2 D. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. With only a little bit of good old TLC, this van could be back in tip-top condition. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.